LinkedIn has over 900 million users, 900 million business owners and professionals. It's the perfect social media tool for advisors to build their reputation, leverage social proof, and generate website traffic. But how do you get your Idea Kit videos on LinkedIn? I've got you covered. When you log into LinkedIn, right at the top of your feed, you have a blank post just waiting for your informative video content. Choose the green video button right here. Select your MP4 video file from your computer and upload. Hey, I don't look bad here, but sometimes LinkedIn picks the least flattering frame. In that case, you have the option to upload a custom thumbnail. Click the blue Upload Thumbnail text and choose your thumbnail image. You want to choose the thumbnail that doesn't have a play button on it. Otherwise, you'll get double play buttons. But don't worry, if you choose the wrong file, you can reselect the correct image. If your video doesn't have captions, you can upload what we call an SRT sidecar file right here. Now, we deliver your Idea Kit videos with proofed captions already burned in for ADA compliance. So it's really important that you deselect this green toggle button here and turn auto captions off. Did I say this was important? If not, you will have double captions, and that's not pretty. Once the video uploads, copy and paste your Social Tease copy into your post. Tag any colleagues or friends and add any relevant hashtags. And here's a LinkedIn Insider tip. A Hootsuite experiment showed that LinkedIn posts without external links were getting 6 times more reach than those that included external links. So, put your external links in the comments section. Just make sure to let people know where to find it. But you aren't done yet. You have the option to feature your video on your profile page. Simply click the 3 dots and choose the feature on top of profile selection. When your prospects visit your profile page, any post you've featured shows up here. Want to delete an older video? Simply click the Remove from Featured button and it's gone. One last trick to get more eyes on your video. Remember how I said tag colleagues and friends? This really works. When you @mention people, it means the post will automatically show up in their feed and have the chance to be shown to more LinkedIn users. It's like a free ad campaign. Now you know the best way to post your video to LinkedIn. Need help creating that video? Check out Idea Decanter's remote video service, Idea Kit, to help you create, engage, and convert.